Hello YouTube, this is Dylan, and I'm mucking around in my Seeburg SPS-2 Matador jukebox. Another issue kind of came up all of a sudden. This guy was playing discs either twice or essentially indefinitely, and the problem is the arm that lifts the disc into place sometimes can take too long to go back down or to come up, and that arm controls a lot of contacts that essentially control the logic of this electromechanical unit. But if the arm travels too slowly, the timing is off, then write-out doesn't occur, or rather, the disc gets stuck being loaded and unloaded as it hasn't switched state from halt or stopped to traveling, looking for the next selection. Let's take a look at it really quick. And that series of switches there, that little switch block, seems to control most of the actions of this machine in here. And the arm is this little piece of metal here, kind of sticking out over here. This gets pushed up or down depending on what state the arm is in, and that controls pretty much, it seems, the logic for this entire mechanism. Right now, obviously, it's in travel mode, which means that it will repeatedly go back and forth on the rails if the mechanism is started. Then, when it goes into play mode, that arm moves up and switches all the contacts to their opposite state. What was happening, though, is that the arm was lowering too slowly. Timing was all messed up, and that meant that the disc would be picked right back up before the arm had a chance to actually close any contacts, or at least this part of the arm here that causes the contacts to close. So just a little bit of WD-40 and some extra lubricant for now, because I'm desperately avoiding having to take this whole thing apart again. And ooh, it's working. Let's take a look. The Seeburg is working pretty well again. I'm sure I'm going to need to eventually take the entire thing apart and re-grease it and clean out any sort of desiccated grease and lube that's still stuck in there. But for now, it is working well enough. Even the popularity counter is working. You can see we certainly enjoy Call Me Al there on 100. But no, thank you for taking a look again here. I'm no expert when it comes to jukeboxes. I completely kowtow to all the forum people and everyone online. They know a lot more than I do. I'm just bumbling around with electromechanical stuff because I love it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and button this guy back up, put him back against the wall, and we will see how good this ensemble looks.